Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm mixing it up with Gigi. I am hungry for some vegan chickpea stew. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going in with a teaspoon of this garlic, infused extra virgin olive oil, just a tad bit. Then I'm gonna kind of let that go ahead and warm up a little bit. I know it's summertime, but I am hungry for some stew-like soup or soup-like stew. Alright, next we're gonna go in with our onions, and I have my little piece of jalapeno pepper in there as well. So I'm going in with my onions. Stove should be at about medium heat. Of course, mine is not hot yet, so I'll kind of wait on it to get nice and hot. Why I keep knocking the pot, I don't know. Alright, now I'm going in with my garlic. And next I'm going to go in with my carrots. I'm putting in the stuff that are hardest to cook first. And I'm going to add a little pinch of salt as I go. And I'm going to use the pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever you choose. Just a pinch going in now. There are my flavors. Now I'm going in with my cumin. Teaspoon of cumin. That was paprika, sorry. Now we're going in with cumin. And the paprika needs to be 1 teaspoonful, so I need to add another one. Alright, now I'm going to add the green beans. I need the butternut squash, the potato. I'm adding everybody in there now. I'm going to give it a good stir. Incorporate everybody together. Now I'm going in with my tomato, stewed tomato, and you can use other type of tomatoes. I'm gonna now I'm turning my heat up, and I'm gonna just release all the tomatoes. So crush them so they can release their juices in here. Give it a good stir and let them simmer together for a minute. Alright guys, I've switched my pot. That one is a little bit too deep, and I've added about a cup of water. Now I'm going in with my chickpeas, and I'm just going to give that a good stir, and now I'm going to add some more water and let it come to a boil. It's already boiling, and I have some boiled water here in this kettle. I'm just going to add about another cup or so. Just cover it. There you go, like that, until it's covered, and just let it stay right there and boil for about 15 or so minutes. Let's check it as we go. Okay guys, there you go, it's boiling away. I'm going to add my thyme and 1 teaspoonful of vegan butter. Oh my goodness, if you all could just smell my kitchen right now. I am salivating waiting for this to finish. I am salivating. This is so delicious already, and all that's in it is what you saw me put in it. It is so good. And now I'm going to go ahead and put, I'm actually going to give it another, say 5 or so minutes, then I'm going to put my spinach in. Alright guys, I'm going to add my spinach, and I found this huge Scotch bonnet pepper in my refrigerator and I add it. This is optional, totally optional. Okay, and it's just for flavor, not for heat. So now I'm going to add my 1 pack of frozen spinach, and you can use kale, colors, whatever. I'm just using spinach, okay? And you give it a good stir. And guys, this is ready. I can't wait to consume it. Yes, I'm giving it another good, maybe 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes. And this will be ready to be eaten. Yep. Alright guys, my stewed chickpeas is finished. Yes, Lord, I can't wait to eat this. You guys, let me go ahead and plate my bowl of chickpeas, stewed chickpeas right now. Let me get this big girl out the way because I really don't want her. I just want her flavor. And now for the good, big goodness. Check it out, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Come on now. Check this out. Yes, this is it, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with a little bit of, I don't like parsley, I have a lot of it. I'm gonna go ahead and garnish with some fresh basil. Here it is, guys. And this is stewed chickpeas, and it has so much goodness and it's so healthy. It's totally vegan, guys, totally vegan. So thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, thumbs up. Check me out on all my platforms, and until next time, I'm going to devour this. God bless.